In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Chrome flags. Chrome flags are experimental features built into Google Chrome. They can unlock tools and settings that aren't turned on by default, which makes them useful if you want to test new functionality or customize your browsing experience a little more. Because these features are experimental, it's a good idea to change them carefully and only enable the one you actually need. To get started, open Google Chrome on your desktop or mobile device. Make sure you're in the Chrome browser itself since these settings are only available there. Once Chrome is open, go to the address bar at the top. In the address bar, type chrome/flags and then press enter. This will take you to Chrome's flags page, where you can view a large list of experimental features. When the page loads, you may also see a warning explaining that these features are intended for advanced use and may affect browser performance. That's completely normal, so just continue carefully. At the top of the flags page, you'll find a search bar. Use that search bar to look for the specific flag you want to enable. This is the easiest way to find the exact feature you're looking for, especially since the full list can be quite long. Try to type the name of the feature as accurately as possible so the correct result appears more quickly. Once you find the flag you want, look to the right side of that option for a drop-down menu. Click or tap the menu, then select Enabled. In some cases, instead of simply choosing Enabled, you may see a few configuration choices. If that happens, select the specific option you need based on the feature you're trying to activate. Take a moment to confirm that you changed the correct flag before moving on. After you enable the flag, Chrome will show a relaunch button near the bottom of the screen. Click that button to restart the browser and apply the change. This relaunch is important because the feature won't become active until Chrome restarts. Once Chrome opens again, the flag should now be enabled and ready to use. If you ever need to reverse the change later, you can return to the same flags page, search for the feature again, and adjust it from there. And that's all it takes to enable Chrome flags. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be able to turn on experimental Chrome features in just a few moments.